In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay GCash on Shopee. Let's walk through the exact flow you'll use inside the app so you can check out with confidence. We'll open Shopee, add your items to the cart, proceed to your cart to check out, pick the right payment method, choose GCash under the e-wallet options, confirm, and place the order. After that, Shopee will redirect you to GCash, where you'll follow the on-screen prompts to finish the payment. Start by opening the Shopee app and adding the products you want to your cart as you normally would. Take a moment to review quantities, variations like size or color, and shipping options so everything is correct before moving on. When you're ready, go to your cart. You'll see all your selected items listed there. Tap. Check out to move to the final review and payment screen. On the checkout page, you'll see your delivery address, shipping choices, any vouchers or coins you might want to apply, and the payment methods section. Find payment methods and tap View. All to open the full list. From here, select e-wallet. This groups all the wallet options together so they're easy to find. Choose GCash as your payment method. If you're using it for the first time on this device, it may ask for a quick confirmation. Tap. Confirm to set GCash as your payment choice. Before you place the order, double-check your order summary, shipping fee, and any applied discounts. Everything look good? Tap Place Order. Shopee will automatically redirect you to GCash to complete the payment securely. Stay on this screen while it loads and avoid closing the app or switching networks during this step. Inside GCash, GCash, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked for your PIN or a one-time verification code. Make sure you have a stable connection and enough balance to cover the total. If you're using mobile data, keeping a strong signal helps the handoff between Shopee and GCash go smoothly. Once your payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to Shopee. You should see a confirmation that your order has been placed, along with your order number. You can view your order details and track shipping from your Shopee account anytime. If anything doesn't go through, Shopee will let you know and you can repeat the payment step, but usually the process is quick and seamless. That's it. Open Shopee, check out from your cart, select GCash under e-wallets, confirm, place the order, and finish up in GCash by following the prompts. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.